Good morning, we're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog, so if you like this video, I'll be back tomorrow.
Today's turned into a relaxing day. Yeah. Not necessarily a rest day.
Right, like a resort day, maybe pop into a park day.
Yes.
But overall, like recouping.
Yeah, we took it easy this morning. It's after 10. But we are out and ready for the day. We're gonna head to Studios.
Yeah.
But we think we're just gonna not even go into the park just yet, even though we've got a park pass.
Oh gosh.
Whoa. Kids are making all kinds of crazy noises. We're gonna hop on a skyliner and head over to Riviera, because even though our friends and family got to see it for a little bit this trip, we didn't get to go. So we're gonna go hang out there for a little bit, and then the world's our oyster. Literally, Sarah and I were like, we could get Turf Club for dinner, we could go to Deck Lodge, we could come back and swim, we could go to all 4 parks. It's just whatever we want to do, and we don't know what we want to do yet.
Right.
But you know what we are gonna do?
What?
We are gonna be in Disney World.
We are. And we're gonna use our resort cups as many times as humanly possible
Sarah
today.
loves a good thrill, and she loves a good pop-related thrill, especially when it's a challenge of how many pops she can drink. And when she feels there's no limit because she has an unlimited supply, she drinks an unlimited amount.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some, never just let me know.
You like that fountain? So we're at the Riviera. We just got a little drink at La Petite Cafe. Now me and James are just gonna stroll and see some Christmas decorations. I don't know if we've ever seen it here at Christmas. I know, it's beautiful. Wreaths and garland just everywhere. Let's go in the shop. All of this DVC merchandise is so cute, and I had never seen it before. Hey, you be nice. A nice Dooney, cups, ornaments, hats. I got a lavender lemonade iced tea. Want a drink? A little sour. Ooh, he must like it. So good. And what did you get, Daddy?
Got an espresso.
Wow, fancy, fancy.
Listen to this comfy chair.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nice. This is the life, huh?
So we're at Primo Piatto, waiting for our mobile order. And I'm very happy because they have freestyle machines here. You know what that means? I got my strawberry cream soda. It's a great day.
Gorgeous. Relax.
Fun.
Christmas.
Joy.
Pretzels. I got a little Greek salad with no olives, but I added chicken. It's got artichokes. It's got feta, cucumbers, chickpeas. And I also got their tomato soup. The dressing is also really good. What was so good?
Excuse me, cutting up apples.
Oh. James has fruit and pizza and cherry tomatoes, his favorite.
And here's my order. Got the spicy Italian sandwich, got giardiniera, and the Romano and herb french fries. Nearing nap time, but before that we're gonna burn some last minute fuel, playing with some Connect 4, and have some of these other fun things in the courtyard of Riviera open up. We will burn it, have some fun, and then I think the plan is to go to Epcot and stroll World Showcase while they nap. Oh, great.
We're back on the skyliner. Oh gosh, Teddy's got the camera. We are taking the skyliner to Epcot. And the plan is for a little stroller nap around the World Showcase.
Yay! I know. Alright, we are in what used to be the festival, or the Epcot experience. It's back to its like high top loving time. I got myself a strawberry cider and picked up Sarah the Brussels sprouts from the brew wing up at the Odyssey. So far Teddy's asleep. We just gotta get James down and then we'll just peruse a very busy festival on the weekend. But that's what happens on the weekend. It gets busy. It's a good humbling experience to remind you what are the good experiences during the week.
We got the plant-based crispy Brussels sprouts. Amanda would be proud. You're more of a Brussels sprouts person, but I'm more of a, like, I've seen these on Instagram a gazillion times.
I'm like actually not in a Brussels sprout mood right now.
Really?
I don't know.
What you got there?
A strawberry cider.
Interesting.
I feel like something fresh.
It's a honey tea with boba. Word got out. People know about the egg rolls.
That's what a new rumor that they're full of mold.
Jamesy's snoozing. Teddy's snoozing.
It's a beautiful, beautiful, pretty much perfect conditions for an Epcot day.
Yeah, so we're strolling.
Like I said, the perfect Epcot conditions. A dream come true.
Okay, let's try something. Okay. I make the call, you make the response, alright? The song is called Funk am Freitag. Funk on Friday. When I say Walt, you say Disney, Walt, Disney, Walt. When I say Disney, you say Walt, Disney, Disney. Thank you.
There's only 2 more sets, and they're going back to Germany tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. I'm checking, is the festival today? Is today the last day?
I would assume tomorrow's the last day.
I think so too, I would assume.
Sarah's trying to game plan us going swimming because she's a vacation girl at heart. And
I'm just ready for it to be cold when we get back home.
You're ready for it to be cold?
I'm like preparing, like I know that that's what's gonna be. So like I want to
soak up all the warm weather things you can.
Yeah.
I get it. So we're gonna.
And it's gonna be like we're gonna be here in January. Well, I guess we're gonna be here.
We're gonna see what time James wakes up from this nap, and we may skedaddle back to Saratoga Springs. What word did I just say?
Skedaddle?
I thought I was trying to say, but something else came out. Skedaddle. We're gonna go back to Saratoga Springs depending on what time James wakes up, and try to swim to our heart's content. And who knows what the night will hold.
Today is the last day. We weren't even gonna come here today.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that changes everything.
In front of me and they're all full. And all I want to do is have some back support.
I just picked up waters and chocolate from Italy while boys snooze. We're going to the apple seed orchard. I don't know how that child is still asleep. We're nearing 2 hours with Jamesy.
I don't know if you looked at those stairs just now when we were walking past them.
Yeah?
It's the most amount of people I've seen in the Canada Pavilion. I think I've ever seen.
Yeah?
Loving it.
Good.
Our homeland's getting the respect it deserves.
Right. And the Italian chocolates were so good. That is like a place where like we really don't. Hold on, James is waking up. Hold on. He is sitting up, but he's been asleep long enough that if he stays awake, it's all right. But just Italy isn't a place where like we really stop and get little treats. Like I feel like it's either like we sit down at the cellar or we get a drink, but the chocolates were so good. And it's just something I've always eyed and never gotten. And it was just perfect for our stroll.
Right, here's the inside of Appleseed Orchard. Also Canada Far and Wide. I love what they're doing with the screens.
Bye bye. See you later. Get back over here right now. I'm gonna eat you for dinner. Bye bye. See you later. See ya. Oh, back. Bye-bye. Come back over here.
All right, here we go. We got 2 apple crumb tarts, and then I got the apple sky blossom, which I honestly have no idea what it is, but these marshmallows are mint. Teddy's loving it. James
Open
refuses
wide.
to have any. It's just so funny, huh? He also stole his brother's binky for the 100th time.
Here you go.
Oh gosh, Teddy.
Yes, Figment. We gotta get you on Figment this trip. All right, we're going back to our hotel. Gonna take a little swim, take advantage of the nice weather.
Pooh Bear with a Pooh Bear.
Teddy is getting a 4th tooth. 3 since we've been here.
He says, give me the food.
He's wearing Star Wars because we thought we were gonna go to Hollywood Studios today.
Trick's on you, Teddy. Trick is on you, tooth boy. Ah, you hear that, Jinxie? He's going crazy. It's kind of the whole premise of us leaving was based on going swimming. Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
Do you feel that cold gust and those dark clouds rolling in?
Oh no! Is it supposed to rain?
I haven't looked yet, but either way, we're gonna go back, recoup, situate ourselves. Remember, today's like a relaxing day. It's not a rest day, but a relaxing day. Sarah likes to make fun of my hand motions because I'm not the Italian one. Not on. Sometimes you just got a daytime spaceship Earth appreciation.
Take a picture like we did at Jamesy.
First time in the entire trip we come back to the room during daylight hours. But we need to kind of change, get ourselves ready if we want to go to the pool because it's going to get to be dark soon. We got like an hour of sunlight. And then it's going to get cold again. That was Teddy. What a little gumdrop pants.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
It's the top of the hour. I'm so sorry I pressed it in my shoes.
What's the point?
Oh, did I put the wipes in here? He's ready to go swimming. A booyah. I shook a booyah. We're in the same spots we were the other day. Sarah and James went running off. I'm not sure. It looks like they're going in just in a different spot. All right, Teddy, let's go swimming. A boo! My happy kid, huh? Ooh, blow those raspberries. We're so busy. The sun's going down. Temperatures are a drop, and I literally swallowed Teddy like a baby in a warm towel. We're gonna go back to our room. One for good luck. Ugh. Let's go. I know. Let's go. It was a lot of fun. I got to snuggle Teddy the whole time. James and Sarah got to swim, and James was swimming more than we've ever seen him. It was incredible. My life is so full. That's all I have to say about that. All right, we're at the Artist Palette. We're dining in. Still mobile ordered, but there's a dine-in option. Whoa! So that's what we're doing for dinner. It's only 7. It's only 7, but we're going to be in the resort for the rest of the evening. We're going to get ourselves ready because tomorrow we check. We're going
to be extra, like, do whatever we want tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow we check out.
Nature to, like,
do nothing?
Yeah, like to do nothing or to, like, be, what's the word, responsible.
Yeah, because we're going to, like, pack tonight. Get it. Oh gosh, Teddy needs some pop. We moved to the beach club for one night tomorrow, but since it's only for one night and we leave the next day, we want to make sure we're like prim, proper, and ready.
I don't think we said that we're staying at the beach club.
Ooh, yeah, we have a 1-bedroom beach club villa tomorrow night, just for one night.
For grand finale.
That's drawn on. That's for our margarita pizza.
You like it? We got meatballs and polenta with peppers and a baguette. A little monster action.
We got a mac and cheese for Jamesy. with some chips and grapes and deliciousness. Sarah and I doing what is a classic thing called a 50-50.
50. This blend is good.
Better than your mom's?
My mom like really didn't make blend.
Wow.
Just being honest.
Alright, we're off to go throw in some loads of laundry. We have a studio, so there's no in-unit laundry. When you have a DVC and you're in a one-bedroom or up, you have in-unit. But we go toss these laundries in, and then we'll start packing up the clean laundry and all of our other stuffs. Do you guys remember when I did laundry really late on a trip? I forgot which one, but James U was definitely alive where our studio was like right here. I don't know if we told you the studio was right there. Maybe we did on our checkout day. But our studio was like right here. I literally just like ran across the street to the laundry here. I forgot because I haven't done laundry at a studio at a DVC in a while. I feel like the last time, why do I feel like the last 2 times I've done laundry at a Disney resort, it was at a non-DVC. And we had to pay for not only the laundry detergent, we had to pay for the machines. But when you stay at a DVC, the studios don't have in-unit, but you don't actually have to pay for the machines itself. Which, part of me is like, I get that, part of me is like, that's kind of bogus, because if you stay at like, oh, that's what it was when we stayed at Pop Century. I paid for the laundry, and then we stayed at Fort Wilderness last summer, I paid for the laundry, that's what it was. Where like at those non-DVC places, you have to pay for the laundry detergent and everything, and you also have to pay for the machines, whereas at DVC, you don't have to pay for the machine usage. And it was like $8 or $4, I think it was like $4 a machine, so it's like $8 for a whole load of laundry to do laundry at like Pop Century or Fort Wilderness, whereas here it's just $1 for the detergent, or if I want a fabric softener, at $2. I get part of that because we pay maintenance dues. We are owners here at these resorts. But that also, you know, I don't know, feels a little weird to me. Favorite part of being at the resort when nighttime festivities, nighttime spectacles, nighttime spectaculars are going on, is like the distant I think I can hear Epcot and Hollywood Studios going off right now. I think if I went up to the balcony, I could see Epcot. We did it. Did a bunch of laundry and did a lot of packing. The kids are asleep.
All in one room.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.